aming Ama. Maraming salamat po sa pagtatapos ng araw na ito. Salamat po sa lakas at siglan na iyong ipinagkaloob na siyang ibinuhos namin sa aming mga gawain. Naway bantayan niyo po kami at ingatan sa aming pag-uwi at pamamahinga sa aming mga tahanan. Tulungan mo po kaming maging handa sa mga panibagong pagsubok na aming haharapin. Sa iyo namin ipinagkakatiwala ang aming buhay at pag-asa. Ito ang aming dalangin sa ngalan ng iyong anak at aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas na si Jesus. Amen. This is DZOZ DTV, Channel 33, a commercial TV station transmitting on a 25 kilowatt effective radiated power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated, with temporary permit number BSD-0214-2021 when issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 9, 2024. Zoe DTV Channel 33 studios are located on the 22nd floor of Strata 2000 Building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe DTV Channel 33 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199. And carried out by the following electronics and communications engineers and technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, PCE number 66327. Engineer Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, PCE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Fabros, PCE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, PCE number 63291. Engineer Jimuel M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. Dalit, ECE number 68369. Charlie F. Perez, ECT number 73/1PHN-23257. Merijoy G. Falculan, ECT number 23222. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1PV-23313. Nelson Jr. C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board and are seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. DTV20 Cebu City, DTV20 Guimaras, DTV20 Cagayan de Oro City, DTV20 Davao City, DTV32 Baguio. This is DZOZ DTV Channel 33, now signing off.